Hi guys, my name is Tanisha and this is video 1 of CleverTap tutorial series. The series will be a little longer because there are so many features in CleverTap, there are so many use cases of those features and I want to discuss each and every feature and use case in depth. So series will be a little longer, but I'll try to keep the length of the video shorter, although it will be depending upon the complexity of topic that we'll be discussing. So without wasting any time, let's start. So this will be just an introduction video of CleverTap. I'll give you the product overview. We'll discuss some platform features, some core concepts, and some of the use cases of CleverTap. So CleverTap is a retention and a user engagement tool. Its functionality basically allows you to track app analytics and do marketing simultaneously. There are three primary ways through which you can increase the user engagement of your app. You can track each and every action a user is taking inside your app. You can build the segments of those users based upon their behavioral pattern, and you can create campaigns targeting those specific segment of users and send them personalized push notifications, WhatsApp text, emails, and reach out to them on all the marketing channels that CleverTaps allows you to. After that, you can also analyze the reports of those campaigns, understand its effect on user engagement and business matrices. So now let's discuss the platform feature. CleverTap dashboard basically allows you to segment the users based upon their behavioral patterns, build targeted campaigns around those segments, and send them personalized messaging as I discussed earlier. CleverTap SDK also allows you to make changes inside your app without interrupting the UI and user inside your app. It's an amazing feature for product marketer. Let me explain this with an example. I'll create a separate video on this whole marketing channels, but this is a very amazing feature, so I'll explain it right away with a short example. Let's understand this with Zepto's example. Let's say Zepto has 10,000 users who haven't purchased anything from Zepto Cafe yet, and I want to create a segmentation of those users and show them a banner saying that you'll get a free coffee or you'll get a free pizza on your first order from Zepto Cafe. I can create a segmentation of those users and I can build such customized banners especially for them. So as soon as they'll open the app, they'll see a banner saying that get your free coffee or a free pizza on your first order from Zepto Cafe. I feel that this particular feature helps a lot for product marketer. This highly reduces the dependency of product marketers on tech team, because tech usually is so occupied in their own work. They'll, if you have to plan any marketing campaign which requires a little bit of changes in the product, you'll at least have to inform them 2-3 weeks prior. After that, they'll consider your work and they'll start building those features that you asked for. And it's not their fault as well. They have so much in the pipeline, and such features helps product marketer a lot, improve the work efficacy, and just get the work done in minutes. Apart from it, you can integrate CleverTap with communication platforms like SendGrid and Twilio. You can also integrate it with attribution tools like AppsFlyer and Branch, and you can also import CleverTap audience into Google and Facebook ads as well. Now let's discuss some of the core concepts of CleverTap. Users, events, segmentation, campaigns, and reports. These are central to CleverTap, and it is very important to understand the role of each and everything. Talking about users, as soon as any user open your app or your website, their user profile will be created on CleverTap, and there are some default fields that CleverTap captures like location and devices. If you want to capture any other detail of the user, you can pass some custom parameters from the backend and fetch those details as well. Events, as we have discussed earlier already, CleverTap SDK allows you to track the journey of your user, what steps they are taking inside your app, and build segmentation of those users based upon their behavioral pattern, and run targeted campaigns around those segments, and analyze the performance of those campaigns in depth. What is the effect on user engagement and your business matrices, what's the open rate, and how many people are converting from those campaigns. So this was an overview about CleverTap, and in this video series we'll learn a lot of more things as well, like how to create campaigns, how to create user segmentation, how to create user cohorts, how to analyze the report, and a lot of other features in depth, its use case in depth. So yeah, hoping to see you in the next video. Bye bye.